Hi, my name is Avilyn Moulton. I go to Davenport Central High School and I'm from Davenport, Iowa. Today I really wanted to talk about the topic of Iowa's natural prairie land because it's a topic that really hits close to home for me, being from Iowa, and it's something that I'm really passionate about, having grown up around it my whole life. So, over 9,000 years ago, nearly 85% of Iowa's lands would be covered with prairie. And today that number has dropped to less than 0.02%, which is a crazy drop off. And it's a shame because Iowa relies heavily on prairies for environmental reasons. So one of those reasons is the water quality. Prairies have an effect on it that way. They slow down the runoff of water, which then gets filtered into marshes, streams, rivers, other water sources that way, and improves the overall water quality. And another reason, another role that the prairie plays is how it affects the natural food web and different organisms that rely on it. So there's native seeds that get eaten by insects, that get eaten by birds or small mammals, and they all rely on each other. So one example of this is the monarch butterfly, and their main food source is milkweed, and milkweed is primarily found in prairies. So this is an example that is personal to me because growing up we would always raise monarchs. And as of 2022, they were classified as endangered. Their population has dropped off about 72% in the past 2 decades, which is a crazy steep drop off. And that's just one example of an insect or organism that's affected by the decline in Iowa's prairies. So it's for those reasons that Iowa's prairies are very, very important to the ecosystem. And that's why I personally am very passionate about this topic.